Hi guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to our channel Fun Family Travels. If you are looking to visit Samoa and looking for accommodation at Sheraton Samoa Beach Resort, watch this video for a complete review. Before we booked, we couldn't find many reviews online or YouTube vlogs on this place, so we decided to create one for you. We chose it based on Sheraton name and the promise of Marriott Bonvoy standards. But did Sheraton Samoa Beach Resort lived up to the hype? In this video, we give you a full review, the good, the unexpected and everything in between. Let's kick things off with our arrival at Sheraton Samoa Beach Resort. Sheraton is only 4 kilometers from the Faleolo airport. We called ahead to arrange our airport pickup through Sheraton, and everything went smoothly. Right at the exit, we spotted someone holding a Sheraton placard. It's 50 tala for private transfer, or you can avail a shared ride at 16 tala per person. The transfer was handled by a local tour operator called Autobots. Total coincidence that we had also booked them for our day trips. We'll share more about our experience with them when we take you around this beautiful island in our next video. As you can see, we have entered Sheraton Samoa Beach Resort premises. They have ample parking spaces if you are renting a car. If you are planning to drive in Samoa, you will need a temporary local driving license. Most car rental providers will sort that for you. And if you are still making decision whether you should visit Samoa or not, oh, absolutely yes, please do. It's one of the most breathtaking countries we have been to, filled with raw natural beauty and unique unforgettable locations. We will be sharing our full Samoa adventure in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. First thing after arriving, we checked into our room. The rate is 500 tala per night, which is roughly 310 New Zealand dollar. Just a heads up, if you are paying by card, there is a 3% surcharge. We used our Wise card, which had the 3% surcharge but gave us much better exchange rate than traditional cash exchange. If you are curious about how the Wise card works or want tips on saving money while traveling, drop a comment below. We would be happy to share more. We will show you around the reception area later, but first let's check the room out. It's a oceanfront 2-queen bedroom. We thought the room was pretty average, definitely more on simple side than what you would expect from a 5-star resort. Next, let's check out the restaurants because food is always a big part of any resort experience. Now, if you look at their website, it might seem like the resort has 4 dining options. But in reality, there's just one main restaurant for lunch and dinner, the South Pacific restaurant. Apulema Fale is only open for the buffet breakfast, and the other 2, Solent Bar and Pool Bar, basically serves the same menu as the South Pacific restaurant. So while it sounds like variety on paper, the actual options are pretty limited. During our 5-day stay, we ended up trying almost everything on the menu. The food is more on the expensive side, with mains ranging from 50 to 60 tala. Portion sizes were not huge but enough to fill you up. You can pause the video here to take a closer look at the menu. The buffet breakfast is complimentary with the stay, and it actually offers a pretty wide range of options, from salads and cereals to a live omelette and waffle station. You can continue watching the choices available in the buffet or feel free to skip ahead to the next chapter. And here's a quick glimpse of the Solent bar behind the reception area. The reception space is quite open and relaxed. There's even a pool table and few board games you can borrow. The reception area also hosts some activities like lava printing and weaving coconut leaves. From the entrance, the ATM machine is on the right side and on the other side is the bookshelf with board games. After dinner, we would often hang out in the reception area playing board games or just relaxing while taking advantage of the faster Wi-Fi. Although the main attraction of the resort is the pool, most of the people staying at Sheraton are here to unwind and relax by the poolside. Our 5-day vacation was split between 3 days enjoying the resort and 2 days exploring the island. We also relaxed by the poolside on our resort days with the kids. But to be honest, there wasn't much for them to do as the kids club wasn't operational during our stay. It didn't affect them though. As you can see, they were still having a great time in the pool. We were a little disappointed though, as it disrupted our plan to get a couple spa while the kids would have been at the kids club. Just behind the pool, there's a volleyball net. Other facilities at the resort include a casino, gift shop, gym, and the Polynesian spa. Come on, let's check those out quickly before we wrap up with this resort stay vlog. And guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification icon. And if you're also considering Fiji as a travel option, don't miss our video on our stay at Hilton in Fiji. Or if you're into cruising, we have got that covered too. Just check out our cruise playlist linked at the end. We didn't go into the casino, just giving you a quick glimpse of the entrance so you know where to find it. The gift shop has some nice souvenirs, but if you're after better variety and prices, I would recommend checking out the Savalalo market in Apia first. The casino and gift shop are located just behind the restaurants, while on the opposite side you will find the gym and the Polynesian spa. It's about 10-minute walk from the reception. So be ready for a little stroll through the resort grounds.
Spa and gym.
That's a question. What do we call?
Mama, where's the gym?
I think there's somewhere.
Here's a quick look at the spa brochure with all the rates. And with that, we have covered everything about our stay at Sheraton Samoa Beach Resort. Just one final piece of info, the resort also offers a shuttle bus service to Apia city, which is super handy if you are planning to explore beyond the resort without renting a car or day trips. Here are the shuttle timings to help you plan ahead. If you have any more queries on Sheraton stay, leave a comment in the comment box below and we'll get back to you. So in summary, we found the room standards pretty average and lunch and dinner options were quite limited, especially if you are dining at the resort every day. The food is also on the pricier side compared to Apia City restaurants. But the breakfast buffet had excellent variety and definitely a highlight. Although not all of the facilities felt 5-star, but what truly stands out is the location. Where in the world does the ocean touches the resort grounds so beautifully? Even compared to Fiji, the ocean here felt more serene and untouched. However, based on our experience, we felt that Hilton in Fiji offered better overall facilities and stay quality. We would definitely love to return there someday. As for Sheraton Samoa, it was a good one-time stay for us. But let's be clear, we are not done with Samoa. This country has so much more to explore and we will be taking you along with us in our next video. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and get ready for the real adventures across Samoa. And hope that makes you ready to say talofa in Samoa. Thank you.